Why do 90% of space enthusiasts spend endless hours creating videos? It's because they are passionate about sharing the wonders of the universe with the world. But let's face it, the process can be incredibly time-consuming and exhausting. From researching accurate information to scripting, recording voiceovers, and editing visuals, it can take days, if not weeks, to produce a single video. And that's not even considering the time spent on revisions and final touches. Let's make your life easier. Imagine a world where you can focus on what you love most, exploring and sharing space facts, without getting bogged down by the tedious aspects of video production. Introducing Hipa Maker, your new best friend for creating out-of-this-world space facts videos. This revolutionary tool is designed to streamline the entire video creation process, making it faster and more efficient than ever before. This AI-powered tool takes care of everything from scripting to visuals and even voiceovers. Imagine having a virtual assistant that understands your needs and preferences and can generate high-quality content with just a few clicks. Imagine having more time to explore space facts while Hipa Maker does the heavy lifting. You can dive deeper into your research, discover new and exciting information, and share it with your audience without the stress of video production. Just a few clicks and you'll have a polished, engaging video ready to dazzle your audience. Hipa Maker's intuitive interface makes it easy for anyone to use, regardless of their technical skills. Whether you're a YouTube newbie or a seasoned creator, Hipa Maker makes the process a breeze. You can focus on creating content that resonates with your audience, while Hipa Maker handles the rest. So, get ready to unlock the cosmos and share its wonders effortlessly. With Hipa Maker, you can produce high-quality videos that captivate and educate your viewers, all while saving time and energy. Start using Hipa Maker today and watch your channel soar to new galaxies. Don't let the complexities of video production hold you back. Embrace the future of content creation and take your space facts videos to the next level with Hipa Maker. Your audience will thank you, and you'll have more time to explore the universe and share its wonders. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Your support helps us bring you more amazing space content. Thanks for watching and happy exploring.
Thank you for watching my videos. For more videos, please subscribe, like, share, comment.